Now in this lecture we are going to discuss about the StringJoiner class. So it is a class which is available in Java. So it is laterly introduced to Java, so it was not available in the initial versions. So the StringJoiner is used to join a strings value. So if you have a delimiter and you want to separate the each value in the string with a delimiter, then you can use the string joiner method class. And the string joiner class has the feature also to have prefix and suffix in your particular string. That is also possible with string joiner. And there are two different constructors in the string joiner class. The first one is with passing the delimiter, and the second one is where you will pass the delimiter along with you will pass the prefix and suffix for your particular string. So next we will see some of the methods in the string joiner class. So the first method is add method. So method will add a new element into the particular string joiner class. And next is merge method. So if there are multiple string joiners, so we can merge each functionality by using the merge function method. And next is length method. So length method will return you the particular length of the particular string joiner. And next is set empty value. So if you want to set an empty value for a particular string joiner class, then you can provide it with using this method. So these are the methods which are there in the string joiner class. And now let us see some programs based on string joiner class. Now let us see a program based on string joiner in Java. So you can see I have created a main method. In the main method I have declared the string joiner class. So string joiner you can declare like this, passing in a constructor a delimiter. So delimiter means what you want to separate the particular strings which you are going to add to the string joiner. So before first add, I'll print the particular what is the value which is getting inserted into the particular string joiner, and after that I'm adding multiple values into the string joiner, and after that I am creating another. I am printing out the particular string joiner, and after that I am creating the string joiner class for another symbol, which is a double pipe symbol. I'm using the delimiter, and I'm using the merge method. So the merge method is used to separate to concatenate two particular string joiners to form a single string joiner. So like that it will return, and let us see the output of this program. So here you can see this string join. Initially, if there are no element, only one element is there, then there will be no delimiters. If there are multiple elements at that time, the delimiters are getting added into the string joiner. And after that, finally merge. You can see the both the string joiners are getting merged. The string joiner with the colon as its delimiter, as well as a string joiner with a double pipe symbol as its delimiter. So both the string joiners are getting printed. So that's it for this program. I will come back with another program. Now let us discuss another program on string joiner. In this program, I will use the prefix and suffix feature of the string joiner. So I have created in the main method. I have created a string joiner again, and in the string joiner, I am creating using the constructor in which I am passing the delimiter followed by the prefix and suffix. And after that, I am adding particular values into the particular string joiner class using the add method, and after that I'm printing out the particular string joiner. Now let us see the output of this program. So here you can see the output. The prefix is coming as in names colon, and the delimiter is also coming, and finally the suffix dot is getting printed. So that's how string joiner we can use. So in this lecture we are going through the string joiner class, which has some feature to join the string with the delimiters. So if in a program we have to have delimiters separated by strings, at that time we can use the string joiner class. We don't need to implement our own class for this. So there is an implementation of string joiner in Java. So thank you for watching this lecture. I will come back with another lecture.